ASSA ABLOY e-Maintenance gives you complete insight into how healthy your equipment is today. You can track and trace orders, view inspection checklists and service reports, and you can oversee your service spending and product health. Get real-time access to all the information you need from any device and wherever you are. All you need is an internet browser. With ASSA ABLOY e-Maintenance, you can easily track and trace what's happening with your entrance systems. See when the engineers will visit, what they did on your site on any given day, and view planning and order status. It gives you complete control of your service operations. The system gives you powerful insight into your service spending, your equipment health, and other statistics. You can filter information from engineers' checklists and accept quotations online. Using the recommended repairs and replacements function, you instantly see which doors require which repairs, so you can adjust your budgets accordingly. Everything at your fingertips, including details about your installed equipment, like the type of product, installation date, its current state of maintenance, and service history. You can accurately measure exactly how much each building has spent on maintenance and repairs. You can also follow up daily activities and plan future maintenance. It's easy to trace an old work report or an inspection checklist. Or you can check the service history of a door. How often has it been repaired? What is the current state? Is anything quoted on it? Filter all the information you need. Zoom in on one specific site or product, or oversee all your sites and products. You can download spreadsheets and use them in your own software. With a complete overview of the service history of your doors and levelers over time, ASSA ABLOY e-Maintenance offers you service information at your fingertips.